Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more knowledgeable interesting video. Today in this video we will going to talk about a very interesting amendment proposed in section 28. Yes, in section 28 amendment being proposed by Finance Bill 2023. Yes, section 28 talks about income chargeable to tax under the head business or profession. Yes, there is one interesting amendment proposed by Finance Bill 2023 in section 28. So let's check out what the amendment is. The amendment is that, right, there is an amendment in clause 4 of section 28, right. Earlier, before amendment, the position of the clause 4 was that, and lot of dispute has also been arise on this clause, that any benefit or perquisite received by a business or a profession, if it is received in a non-cash form, then only it is taxable, right? And there are a lot of judgment which are in favor of the taxpayers and against the department, right? So this amendment has been proposed to end up the entire dispute that arise whenever any business or profession receive benefits or perquisites either in the form of cash or non-cash, either it is convertible into cash or it is not convertible into cash. Now it is taxable under the head business or profession, right? So let's check out the new wordings of section 28 clause 4. The value of any benefit or perquisite arising from business or the exercise of a profession, whether convertible into money or not, whether it is convertible into money or not, whether it is in cash or in kind or partly in cash and partly in kind, right? So the position is clear that any benefit or perquisite received in the exercise of the business or profession, it is now clearly taxable, right? Earlier the law was not very much clear, so whenever anything which is received as a perquisite, as a benefit by the businessman may hide it and it got concealed up, it will not come into the income net, and so consequently the tax will not be paid by the businessman or the profession. So now such transaction has now been properly covered under section 28 clause 4, right? So let's understand it with an example. For example, we have a businessman who is a commission agent who is having agency of, let's say, cement business, right? And after completing or achieving the target is given by the company, right, this agent got a trip to, for example, Bangkok, right? So this Bangkok trip entire value has to be declared by the agent as income under the head business, right, as per section 28, because this is the benefit or this is the perquisite which is received by agent out of carrying out the business activities, right? And it is easy, and it is in cash or in kind or partly in cash or partly in kind, and it is immaterial that whether it is convertible into money or not, right? So let's take another example. For example, a businessman, another example, for example, businessman got some vouchers, right? Vouchers for meeting sales target, for achieving sales target of a particular company, right? And the value of the voucher is, let's say, 50k, right? So this 50k has to be included as a business profession income, right? And it is not compulsory that these vouchers has to be convertible into money. It is not a condition. It can be convertible. Whether it is convertible into cash, into money or not, still it is taxable, right? So this income of this businessman who receives vouchers by meeting sales target, right? And voucher can be used at any, for example, voucher can be used by this businessman at any retail outlet for shopping, for buying garments, for buying clothes, for buying groceries, or for buying furniture, for anything, right? But these vouchers are taxable for this businessman under the head business and profession. Next example. Let's take example of a professional. Let's say there is a doctor right? Who received a trip to Mauritius, right? Who receive a trip to Mauritius from a pharma company for any reason, right? And whatever be the value of this trip to Mauritius, right? This doctor have to declare it as income under professional head, right? It is clearly written that whether it is convertible into cash or in kind, whether it is partly in cash or it is partly in kind, it is equally taxable, right? So this is one of the very interesting and very important amendment proposed by Finance Bill 2023, that in the course of business or in the exercise of the profession, if the businessman or a professional receives any benefit or any perquisite, whether it is convertible into cash or it is not convertible into cash, whether it is in cash or it is in kind, or whether it is partly in cash or partly in kind, it is taxable as business or profession income as per section 28 amended clause 4, right? If you have any query relating to this particular section or any of the section of Income Tax Act, then please post your query in the comment box. We'll try to reply to your query as soon as possible. If you really like this video, click on the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to it. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Bye.